So let's look at multiplying the strings. I can have, these are good for like artwork. If you're doing like you want to put slash slash or star star, you can have like this first slash, okay, multiply by 30. So there will be 30 slashes, okay? Okay, something like that. You can have dashes times 40 to be 40 dashes, okay? And then like you can make something like this, okay, a plus at the beginning and then plus 40 dashes in the middle plus another plus, okay? So it will be like a plus in the beginning and a plus at the end. So this is like you want to prettify your output and all that, just making it pretty, okay? Let's talk about the length. How can you get the length of a string? So I have my, let's look at, for example, name. Name was what? Name was this Nanda, okay? What is the length of this name? So I can put, there's a function called len, as I said here, okay? So len, I give it the variable, it will get me the length. So the length is 6. It has 6 characters. N, A, so 1, 2. So as I said, think about a string always as a sequence. And we'll talk about lists in the coming class. So it's really important to think about a string as a sequence. You see? Okay, and what is the length of this? The length here is 6 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then this one leads me to the last point about getting a specific item from that string. Okay, if I wanted to get the first item, this, how do I get it? Now this is a concept I'm introducing, and you will see it over and over. So if you don't get it now, don't worry, it will be coming more clearer as we go. In computer science or in programming, mostly we start with 0 at the beginning, not 1, when we are counting things. So if you are we are giving these items what you call indexes. Remember in school we used to have index. You are index 1, index 2. So in computer we start with index 0. Like that's the first one. So this n is index 0. This one is index 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. This is let me put the arrows down. So, and this is index 4, and this is index 5. So we start with 0. That's something to note. In computer, we start with 0. And therefore, if I want to get the first n from my string, I'll say name, because my string was name. Remember, name was Nanda here. Remember it? Where is it? Here, right up here, okay? So name, if I say name 0, I get what? N. How about name 5? I get A because of that last index. How about name 3? I get D. You can see here. So that is what you call a subscripting, or that's an index, okay?